Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy. Today we are going to delve into the crucial aspects of non-conformities and corrective actions as outlined in ISO 19011, the international standard for auditing management systems. Understanding how to identify, address and prevent non-conformities is essential for ensuring the effectiveness and continual improvement of management systems. Let's explore. Non-conformities refer to instances where processes, products or services do not meet specified requirements, whether those are established standards, regulations, customer expectations or organizational policies. Corrective actions are systematic steps taken to address non-conformities, eliminate their causes and prevent their recurrence. ISO 19011 provides guidance on effectively managing non-conformities and implementing corrective actions to enhance organizational performance. Key concepts: non-conformities. Identification. During audits, auditors identify non-conformities by comparing observed practices, processes, or outcomes with specified requirements. Non-conformities may arise due to deviations from standards, inadequate procedures, human error, or unforeseen circumstances. Classification. Non-conformities are classified based on their severity and impact on the organization's ability to achieve its objectives. Minor non-conformities have limited impact on operations or compliance, while major non-conformities pose significant risks to quality, safety, or regulatory compliance. Documentation. It's essential to document non-conformities systematically, including their nature, location, root causes, and potential consequences. Clear and comprehensive documentation enables organizations to track and manage non-conformities effectively. Key concepts: corrective actions. Root cause analysis. Corrective actions begin with identifying the root causes of non-conformities. Root cause analysis involves systematically investigating underlying factors contributing to non-conformities such as process deficiencies, system failures, or human errors. Action planning. Once root causes are identified, organizations develop action plans to address non-conformities effectively. Action plans outline specific steps, responsibility, timelines, and resources needed to implement corrective actions and prevent recurrence. Implementation. Corrective actions are implemented systematically following the established action plans. This may involve process improvements, training and education, procedural changes, or the introduction of new controls to address identified root causes. Verification and validation. After corrective actions are implemented, organizations verify their effectiveness through testing, monitoring, or validation activities. Verification ensures that corrective actions address identified non-conformities and prevent recurrence. Significance and benefits. Effectively managing non-conformities and implementing corrective actions offers several benefits: enhancing product and service quality, improving customer satisfaction, ensuring compliance with standards and regulations, minimizing risks and liabilities, driving continual improvement and organizational effectiveness. In conclusion, non-conformities and corrective actions play a pivotal role in maintaining the integrity, effectiveness, and continual improvement of management systems. By following ISO 19011 guidance on identifying, addressing, and preventing non-conformities, organizations can enhance performance, meet stakeholders' expectations, and achieve their strategic objectives. Thank you for your attention, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.